Daily dialogues in English. Practice your listening and speaking skills.
Excuse me, could you help me find my way around? I seem to be a bit lost.
Of course. Welcome to our city. Where are you trying to go?
I'm looking for the art museum. The map is a bit confusing.
No problem. It's not far from here. I can walk you there if you'd like. So, where are you from?
I'm from the States, visiting for the first time.
That's great. What brings you to our city?
Just exploring and taking a break from work. I heard the art museum here is fantastic.
This painting here is one of my favorites. The artist captures the city's spirit so well.
It's stunning. I'm glad I found my way here.
If you have time, I can show you some hidden gems in the museum. So, what else do you want to see in the city?
I heard there's a famous park. Can you guide me there?
Absolutely. After lunch, we'll head over. Any specific cuisine you're in the mood for?
Surprise me.
This park is a local favorite. People come here to relax, read, and just enjoy nature.
It's so peaceful. I'm grateful you're showing me around.
It's my pleasure. I love introducing visitors to our city. I hope you had a good time exploring the city.
I had an amazing time, thanks to you. I wouldn't have found all these places without your help.
Anytime you visit again, give me a call. Safe travels.
I will. Thanks for being such a wonderful guide. What a fantastic day. I'm grateful for the kindness of strangers.